What the hell is going on, guys? So tomorrow my Chimera or Chimera, whatever you guys want to call it, light comes in, my headlight. So today we're gonna go ahead and let me actually lower this real quick. Today we're gonna go ahead and remove this light, guys. So before this video starts, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Anyways, let's get this going. So we have two right here, two Allen bolts. I believe they're 5. And then another set. Oh, my bars are locked. Okay, cool. Another set right here somewhere. Let's see. Yep, another set right there. You guys see those? So on both sides, obviously you got to turn the wheel and all that. But yeah, let's get this started. By the way, I got my new grips, and these grips are fire, guys. The purple Vans grips. The Vans grips and all, they're really comfy. I recommend 10 out of 10. Anyways, let's go. I really need to invest in a tripod, but it is a 5. Let's go try to take this out. Yeah, come on. Okay, cool. It's not too tight. Then go ahead and pop this off. Okay. Already ran into my first problem. It looked like from factory, they stripped it. I literally just put the bolt in, the wrench in, and it doesn't want to come off. So let's see if I could go ahead and pop that off. Hoping I can. I'll let you guys know. So I don't know if something went wrong during installation, but that's it pretty much. I don't know. Weird. But light's pretty much ready to come out. I think it just pops out. Yeah, okay, cool. So it pops out. Okay, I know you have to disconnect. Yeah, okay, cool. So you're gonna disconnect this connector right there. Obviously probably some needle noses would be best for this spot. Guys, I got the headlight out. This thing looks like a little halo headlight. All right, let's go ahead, and I'm actually gonna start taking this apart today. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys kind of what to do. You gotta take this bracket out, which is the 2 screws, and you do not reuse this bracket right here. So this right here will allow the headlight to come out. And this is as far as we are gonna get today, because tomorrow, obviously, we're gonna have to pop in a new light. So let's go ahead and pop these out. It's just a screwdriver. So let's get that going. That is out. You kind of want to take this little metal piece out. Actually, the other one fell out. Okay, cool. This one's just got to come out. And then you got to pop these tabs, this one and this one. All right, guys, and after you take those 2 things, little metal brackets and screws out, you're going to pop this out and pop this out. But before you do that, I almost screwed up. You have one more bolt down here. And to confirm, it is an 8. So go ahead and pop that out real quick. Man, I hate how fast these GoPro batteries die. Out. Pull past the black bracket right here. It is plastic, so it is movable. Oh, there it is. And there is your light. My little rubber fell, just put it back on. Boom, toss this to the side. We won't be needing that anymore. I'm just gonna go ahead and take this black frame out as well. It's just Allen bolts. I believe it's 5 as well. Let's go ahead and pop these out. It is a 5, by the way. Oh, they were loose. And this should just pop out, I believe. There are some tabs right here. There's 1, 2, 3 down here, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. There it is. It's all out. Boom, boom. So you push down on the blue. Sorry, don't pull up on the black. Push down on the blue. The blue is more malleable. So yeah, there it is, guys. Now let's wait for the Chimera to come in.
1 day later.
Fam, so I got the light. Recording on the phone again because this is getting stupid. This GoPro. I bought a whole like battery box for them so all my batteries could charge, but not working. But here's pretty much the harness, I believe. Oh, and it does have 2 little connector things. I know that's gonna go on the light, obviously. And then come on. Yeah, man. And then the light. Voila. Cool. So I only got the light, guys, and I got the black part. Yep, it's in here. That covers the light because I could do this myself. They want to upcharge you to put the light in here. So, and then I also got the face, obviously. So let's make sure that's in there. But the light looks pretty quality. Looks really good. Dusty. Been sitting on the shelf, huh? Nobody's buying that. It is overpriced, to be honest, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. And then I got it in black. I was gonna get it in raw and get it painted purple, but I feel like that would have been OD. So I didn't do that. But let me go ahead and unbox all this stuff, guys, and get this ready for you. All right, the main parts are out. So we got the harness. This is gonna connect to your connector, obviously, but it's weird because it was supposed to come with 2. Like, unless they changed the harness, to be honest, I don't know. But that was that. Then it comes with this, obviously, your bolts, obviously, and these 2 things that are gonna hold the light in the back. But it is quality, guys. It's like billet, so it's pretty nice. Let's get this started. So guys, if you remember the black plastic, we're gonna need this if you did not buy the version I did, and gonna pretty much seat it in. So black piece goes down, and then this goes in here, and it's got a seat in. You just got to push down pretty much. It'll get seated in. Let me go ahead and do that real quick so I could get this going. Fam, I was just talking shit about their service fee. I think you should pay for it because it's 30 bucks and it was easier. I didn't damage anything. I got it on. But let me just tell you right here, I had to put pretty much this and literally push hard so these clips right here could go in. But once they go in, it literally snaps into place. They have those little lips right there. You can't see through it or nothing like that, so no water issue. And yeah, it's fire. So let's get the light on now, the fun part. I'm putting these on right now, the little 90-degree things. All I did was put the little black tip thing, the housing that holds the light. I put that on, which I thread locked them. It comes with 2 long, well, a bunch of long ones, but you use 2 long up top, and then the short ones, there's only 2 short ones in there. You use the 2 short ones at the bottom. And then right here, they recommend you have it, well, they want it at a 90-degree. So this angle right here, this is the 90-degree they're talking about. They want this bracket like that. So, for example, this bracket won't be this way. It will be this way. So I thread locked these 2 right here. Let me go ahead and do these as well. I wish I had a tripod for my phone, guys, so that I could record this, but the GoPro battery's dead. Alrighty, fam, like you guys saw earlier in the video, we're just gonna take steps backwards. So just clip this in, your whole little frame, click it in. Remember the tabs we had to pop out? Click those back in. I'm over here watching their video, Steady Garage's video, and they don't have this harness, man. This harness is completely different from what they showed in the video. I'm not sure if they just updated it where we don't have to do any like splicing and it already comes with the pigtail, but let's go see and check it out real quick. I mean, I know it's gonna look badass, but let's see. I know you're gonna have to pull, give me 1 second, let me pop this here where we'll get scratched, cool. All right, I know you're gonna have to pull this boot back a bit, and then in this boot, you have 2 connectors, I believe. All right, fam, so to take this part out, that little boot I was showing you, just pull this back, right? This piece right here. All right, fam, so the red goes to that black pigtail that you previously at the beginning disconnected, the one that connects to your literal headlight. And then this one right here, I took that one off by accident. I'll point it out with an emoji. The one behind it is the one you plug into. So now that we're good, we're gonna pull this boot back down and then strap it back in and then put the light back on. All right, fam dizzle, I haven't checked to make sure it works. So let's see now. I know they said low beam is off. That's weird. Okay, no. So they fixed that too. So they did pretty much upgrade. So you do get a low beam. And then you also get a high beam, which I can't really... The high beam is strong, but that's pretty much it then. That's nice. So they did, previously, they didn't have a low beam. They just had an off mode when you put it on low beam, and you turn it on by putting it on the high beams. But guys, I'm kind of scared because I got to take this back out to do my turn signals later on. All right, fam, figured I'd keep you guys updated. So all I did, I took the light back out. I zip tied this because this wire kept showing right here, the skimpy one. So I might loosen it up a bit because it looks a little tight here. Maybe not though, because it's gonna end up pushing up, so it should be fine. But I put my light up, so I had it at the bottom. If I can show you guys, there's like, you can slide that Allen bolt up and down. So you can slide that Allen bolt up and down, if you guys can see, hopefully. There's like a little space there. If it focuses, won't focus, come on, come on. Well, whatever, you can slide it up and down. So I slid it up because when I had it all the way down, it was like, so like say like that's the light right here in this vicinity. When I had it at the bottom, it was facing up, so I pushed it down. So hopefully now it faces down. We will test it out and see it. It's not really a pain in the butt to take out and on. The only pain in the butt part was obviously putting that plate on. But let's get this back on and try it out, I guess. All right, guys, so I'm gonna post a video of like how it looks here before I adjusted it. And now this is maxed out. It's all the way down at the bottom. Like it's all the way lifted and tilted. So I see why they left the space now. I was talking crap, but I guess they left that space so you could go and lift it up and down, obviously. But I still feel like it could have been a little bit more snug. You get what I'm saying? But hey, it is what it is. Let's go. Try it now. All right, so this is low beam. It's now at the middle of the wall. And then high beam, still at the middle, low. Here, I'll close the garage real quick so you guys can see. Anyways, like, comment, subscribe, guys. You already know. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.